Okay, global parameters, we are done with that. Integration of controlling. Document types for posting and controlling. CO posting, double click. So this document type will post and receive journal entries from GL account and secondary cost. Okay. And document type mapping varies for business transactions. Standard is 0, 1 mapping of business transaction. Now these are CO transactions. So this document type will be used. Okay. This is by default. We are not touching it. Check default values. Company code, tab 2. Default ledger group is 0L. Okay. And 201 is the mapping variant that will use CO document type. Okay, whenever a document is posted. Okay. Tab 2. Now this is basically where we maintain and establish that whenever zero version, now zero version I've already explained. This is used for capturing actual and planned values. Okay, for product costing, for profit centers, for cost centers, for activity types, for overheads, everything will be captured in this version. Now, what is version? Basically, it's just like your register. You maintain and record values. You write down values in a register. It will have both planned and actual values plus variance. There can be many versions, infinite, but there are some versions that we maintain like 0, 1, 2. 0 is for plan actual, 1 will be for plan, 2 will be for actual, 3 will be for only variance. That depends on your, again, business requirement. Okay, this is done. Now, next step, general ledger accounting, master data, GL, preparation, retained earnings account. Tab 2. Okay, it's already maintained. Retained earnings account basically capture your income and expenses and knock both of these and carry the balance, the difference to the balance sheet against equity capital. Okay. Now this is our GL master data, tab 2. And over here, we will have liability. Retained earnings account is already made. Okay. So we'll create an expense account, which is, I believe, is already made. Salary. Okay. Salary account is made. Okay. And rent account 400, 600, 400, 600 is already made. Let's see the settings G02, where cost center is, we have kept it as required. Okay. Cash account. 200, 691. Balances in local currency. Local currency is your AED. Now, next is profit center. Accounting. Controlling. Profit center accounting. Master data. Profit center. Individual processing. OKKS. Tab 2. Let's see what profit centers we have already made. We have made tab 10 1, 102, 1022. Okay, we've already made those. Now we'll have to make cost centers. Okay, cost center accounting, master data, cost center individual processing, K is 01, T1001, and 2024 or 230101. Okay, now this is basically shop, body shop, gym, category will be, okay, now this will be, body shop will be production. It will be regarded as production. Hierarchy area, tab 2, profit center, tab 101, plant 1 and 2. Okay, we have a conflict. Hmm. Body shop, gym, profit center. Okay, now it has accepted because this profit center is only available from 1st of January 2024. Save. Next is T102, T10. Okay, T1001 will be the reference. Tab 2 is the controlling area. Okay, and this will be called assembling, and it will have the same profit center, which is plant 1 and 2. Okay, okay. T103 reference, tab 2, master data. This will be blank, and shop pane but page. No profit center, this will be independent. Enter, and T103 is also made. Okay. Okay, now 2001, T001, tab 2, enter, and this will be called processing, and tab 101 will be the profit center. Save, it is saved. Okay. SPRO, profit center accounting, assignments of account objects to profit centers, check assignments, and cost centers, display objects without profit centers, or display objects without profit centers, execute, also display assigned cost centers. Date will be 2024-01-01. execute. Okay, only one T103 is not assigned to a profit center. Rest we have three that is assigned. Okay. So we are right now placing and maintaining profit centers. Okay. And master data in place. We are putting that in place. Next step is cost center accounting, cost center group, KSH, prod, production, hierarchy. So this will be called production cost. Okay. And cost center, we have T1001, T1002, T201. Body shop assembling and processing. Save, it's already made. Okay. Okay. Next is cost element group KH1. Admin, hierarchy, admin costs, cost element 40591. No valid master record is available. Okay. Save will make this count later on 509, 40591. Okay. Personal costs, cost element 400, 500. Salary. Okay. And what else do we have? Save. Okay. Okay. Freight charges. Copy 591. That will be travel expense. Travel expenses. Save. It's made. So if we go to KH2, personal is salary. Admin is travel expenses, which is now made. Okay. Let's stop over here for today. Okay.